Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for always coming back. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. On this channel I show you how to grow your natural hair using natural ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this smoothie that will grow your hair from inside. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when there's a new video on this channel. So guys, to make this smoothie, I sorted out for fruits that are very good for healthy hair growth. And the first fruit I have here is beetroot. Beetroot contains a significant number of healthy hair vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, magnesium, and potassium. These vitamins and minerals, especially potassium, are needed by the hair follicles to produce healthy hair growth. The next fruit is banana. Guys, my smoothie can never be complete without bananas. I love bananas so much. Bananas are great for your hair and scalp. They improve manageability and shine. They prevent and control dandruff and moisturizes your scalp. Bananas help in preventing split end and also reduces hair breakage. The next ingredient is carrots. Carrots are not only good for your health, but they are also amazing for your hair and skin. The vitamin A and E present in carrot help to stimulate hair growth and also make the root much more stronger. The beta-carotene in carrots promotes soft and shiny natural hair, so you always want to make sure you consume carrots. Guys, the next ingredient is tomato. Tomato contains important vitamins that are essential for healthy hair growth and skin. The vitamins in tomato helps to prevent hair loss and give it natural shine and also treat scalp issues. Not only can you consume tomato, you can also use them as a natural conditioner for your hair. And our next ingredient is milk. Milk helps to strengthen your natural hair, and the calcium in milk promotes healthy hair growth and prevents hair loss. So guys, I'm also going to be using lemon and turmeric to spice this up. Because I am not very good in eating fruits one by one, I always consume my fruits by turning them into a smoothie. So guys, I'm going to be adding all the fruits to my blender and I'm just going to blend it to get that smoothie. So guys, our smoothie is ready and it is looking so good. Feel free to add more fruits or remove any fruits you don't like, but make sure you consume lots of fruits and vegetables, because if you have a deficiency in any of the minerals and vitamins needed for your hair growth will be very slow and you don't want that. So guys, have you watched to this point? Have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Did you leave your comments below? If you did all that, thank you so much. You can also be kind enough to share this video to your friends and family. And that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you found this video helpful, and let me know what you think about it in the comments section. Till I see you all in my next video, stay safe. Bye bye.